In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate API Key in HubSpot. If you suspect an API key has been exposed, or you're retiring an integration, deactivating the key is the safest move. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and along the way, I'll share a few tips so nothing breaks unexpectedly. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct portal and that you have the right permissions to manage integrations. Admin or super admin access is typically required to see and change these settings. Once you're in, look to the top of the HubSpot interface for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it to open the full settings panel. On the left-hand sidebar, find the section labeled Integrations. This is where HubSpot keeps connection-related tools and credentials, so it's the right place to manage keys. Inside Integrations, select Service Keys. This page groups the different service-level credentials used to connect external tools. Here, you'll see an option for Developer API Key. Click Developer API Key to view details about the key currently active for your portal. Next, look for the Actions menu associated with your key. Click Actions to reveal the available options. From that list, choose Deactivate Key. HubSpot will ask you to confirm because deactivating immediately blocks any requests that rely on this key. This is an important safeguard, so before you proceed, pause and consider what systems are using the key, things like scripts, custom apps, or third-party connectors. If they're still pointed at this key, they will start failing as soon as it's deactivated. When you're ready, confirm by clicking. Deactivate this key now. HubSpot will process the request right away. You should see the status update, and the key will no longer authenticate API calls. If you have monitoring or error alerts set up on connected systems, keep an eye on them to verify everything responds as expected after the change. A few closing tips to avoid surprises. Communicate the timing of this change with your team, especially developers and anyone managing integrations. Review logs or dashboards for any unauthorized use before you deactivate. And document which services were tied to this key so you can update them promptly with a secure alternative. That way, you keep your data protected while minimizing downtime. And that's it. Search HubSpot, log in, open Settings, go to Integrations, select Service Keys, open Developer API Key, choose Actions, Deactivate, and confirm. You've successfully deactivated your HubSpot API key.